Look at that thing. You is stupid. I need to back it up a little bit. I gotta see the front end. Woo! You stupid. Damn. So your boy came out to the fucking track. This is my third time here, I believe, ever in my life. Brought the little Subi out. Little Subi with the big turbo. But yeah, man, your boy's at the track. Let's see if we can make it. Damn, we got a lot of cars in front of us. A lot. Damn. We got a lot of cars. Oh, shit. Listen to that thing get on the trailer. Listen to this. This thing sounds crazy. Watch. Oh, here. Bro, that's sick, man. It'll be crazy to be doing at his age, still doing that. Woo! Coming out here, gapping for people. Oh, man. This beast of a monster. Whew. And they got street radios on. Diablo, coño. That's that dream car right there. You feel me? That's That's a badass car. You know I gotta catch this GTR. Woo. I don't know if you guys heard me, but I was trying to tell you guys, you know I gotta come back up here. I gotta catch this GT. Oh, that's niggas. Come on, man. It's my dream car. Look at that thing. He ain't about to do no burnout. He's going straight. GTR all day. I got to. Hell yeah, that's what it even said. She's bad, you feel me?
First 100 feet, not so much, and it's gone.
If you launch it right, oh, that thing.
Oh, yeah, it will.
Yeah, that all-wheel drive.
He said he can or something like
Oh, he can't?
Yeah. You'll see that.
Was it the older guy driving that thing?
I don't.
Oh, okay. Fox bodies, ain't they? Now, that's a good run. They're both Fox bodies. Old school Mustangs.
Sounds nice. Nice inside. I'm about to run this Camaro SS. That thing's been running 11s.
But yeah, we'll see what we could do, guys. This is gonna be my last one, man. Then I'm gonna go sit down. I'm about to destroy this little truck. Hopefully it's a 250. I should get it easy. Then after that, I'm out. It's my last one. All right, so now this is my last run of the day. See that GoPro on the Camaro? I should have brought myself a GoPro. I want to see who's gonna win with that stinner, man. Wait, I think I gotta run a stinner. What the fuck am I talking about? Yeah, I'm running the stinner. Oh shit, he's gonna get me because he said he's been doing 11s all day. I'm not that fast. My shit's slow, guys. You saw it. One more race, man. There's a Subaru with slicks. Look at that thing, just like mine. Big ass turbo. Let's see how the Subaru does. They got slicks in all four. I don't know.
All your buddies in the Subi?
Nah, I don't know none of these guys. Shit, let's see. Old school Camaro, new school Camaro. My money on the right side. Oh shit! A lot of cars still. I got my first race. I baby launched it. I barely made the light. It's cool. I ran a 4T, guys, at that. Yes, sir. A lot of fast cars, though. Oof. A lot of fast cars. The boys had enough. I'm gonna have to call it the night, guys. It's getting late. At least I came out here. I did my couple races. Did a clip in the video for you guys. You guys got to see it.